I played two biopics. I did Sand Ki Aankh, I did Mitali's biopic, Shabash Mithu. I know the amount of pressure you feel.
That's a very difficult one because I really love all the characters I've played. If I hadn't, I wouldn't have done it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She's spicy. Guntur Karam.
अवार्ड कैसे होता है, क्या होता है इसमें, तो मैंने कोशिश करी है अपना इंडियन वर्जन ऑफ सुपर वुमन चैनलाइज करने की अपनी लुक में. नाउ लेट्स होप अंदर जाके देखूंगी तो फील भी होना चाहिए थोड़ा सुपर वुमन जैसा. और फिर कुछ एक तो रानी ने कस्टमाइज किया है आउटफिट, तो थैंक्स टू माई स्टाइलिस्ट देवकी जो एफर्ट मारती है इतना टू मेक श्योर आई ड्रेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द इवेंट. So that's a special customized outfit by Torani. मुझे मेरे घर में ना 4 पिक्चर्स हैं, फ़ोटोज़ हैं, पेंटिंग्स हैं 4 विमेन की ऐसी जिनसे मैं बहुत इंस्पायर होती हूँ. अमृता प्रीतम, फ्रीडा kahlo, सावित्रीबाई फूले और कल्पना चावला. ऑल 4 ऑफ देम एक्सट्रीमली इंस्पायरिंग. और इसलिए मैंने उनकी फ़ोटो अपने घर में लगाई हुई है ताकि मैं देख देख के रोज़ इंस्पिरेशन लूँ. या प्लीज़, आई थिंक वी नीड टू गिव बायोपिक्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेक. नहीं, आई थिंक द बायोपिक्स are good to read and know about, but playing them becomes too much of a pressure. I have played 2 biopics. I did Sand Ki Aankh, I did Mitali's biopic, Shabash Mithu. I know the amount of pressure you feel जब आप represent करते हो एक ऐसे इंसान को जिसने लाइफ में इतना कुछ सुपर ह्यूमन लेवल पे अचीव कर चुका है. सो इट्स टू मच ऑफ प्रेशर यार. सो अभी आई थिंक बायोपिक्स को थोड़ा ब्रेक देते हैं.
मैं तो बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आई वॉज वेरी इंसिस्टेंट. आई लाइक वुमनिया अवार्ड्स हैं, रादर सुपर वुमनिया अवार्ड्स हैं, और वुमनिया को नाम मिले तो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. सो आई एम जस्ट वेरी ग्रेटफुल, वेरी ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल इवनिंग एंड आई थिंक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स की, ऐसे पैनल्स की, ऐसे डिस्कशंस की, ऐसे अवार्ड नाइट की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर. हाँ, आउट जी मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट सनम रतन सिंह है, तो उन्होंने कुछ पहनाया. मुझे पता नहीं क्या कौन डिज़ाइनर है, बट बहुत अच्छी डिज़ाइनर है.
बट ऑब्वियसली कोई भी अवार्ड फंक्शन के लिए आप जाओ तो किसी भी अवार्ड फंक्शन के लिए जाओ तो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग and it's an honor to receive any kind of award, and particularly when you're celebrating women, and I feel lucky and I'm actually honored to be here. Expectations kya? I mean, I'm hoping to meet some friends and all the women that I know who are going to be there. I admire them a lot, and I'll just get to meet them away from a shoot, which is great. And yeah, that's a very difficult one because I really love all the characters I've played. If I hadn't, I wouldn't have done it. But let's say Delhi Crime, then there's a film I'd done called Once Again. That character was completely different from anything I've played. And then, of course, one of my last ventures that I did was Three of Us. And I love that character. She's so vulnerable. Oh, absolutely. Loved it. She's a pataka. I loved it.
I think whenever we can come together and celebrate, you know, women being strong together, supporting each other, I think it's a great opportunity. And I'm just happy to be here and be amongst so many incredible women and be honored today. So I'm excited. Born Superstar, Puttindi Superstar. It's probably one of the first songs I've done in Telugu. So Puttindi means she's born superstar. So it's Telugu English song, and I'm putting it out with Nexa. With A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman is sitting over it, which he was my musical father. So, you know, whenever I can work with him or be around him, it's really exciting. So the song has Indian classical dance in the music video, and I'm dancing Bharatanatyam in the video. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Can I sing? Okay, oh wait. Me see the Telugu parts. Telugu. Ye gana Telugu. Yeah, I can sing Hindi too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She's spicy. Guntur Karam. Rhythm and flow. Nrityam. Allaka samudram. She do what she do. She move with the crew. We win the step up, so don't act a fool. Whatever. Anyways, it's a good song. Born Superstar. That's it. But yeah, Oh yeah, the Born Superstar song. It's it was I got an opportunity to do something different. They were like, oh, A.R. Rahman is sitting over next experience. So I wanted to do something about art, and I've been a classical dancer my whole life, and I feel like always sticking to my classical dance was always like a choice that I made on purpose, and it was very important. And the video kind of mirrors that. It's my inner child. It's all the parts of me together, and it's about a girl that she's doing her classical dance and she's being herself in the face of people who think that that's not cool anymore. And the song is really a dedication to the superstar in you. And it could be anybody. So the chorus is like, she could be Karina, Shakira. She could be Madhuri, Jennifer. She could be Aishwarya, Deepika. She's a born superstar. So it's an ode to all the powerful women that have inspired me. And, I like to write songs about Madhuri at any point in life. So, that's...
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.